It's Grace.
And it's Grace.
From Grace and Grace.
Today we are filming a PO box haul. What did we do today?
We actually had a business meeting in London with our manager, and he was nice enough to come and bring us this massive bag of goodies, which we're very, very, very thankful for.
So we thought we would do a haul.
We haven't
show you guys
at all.
We literally, this is like our first impression.
So the first packages say Nip and Fab on them. We have one each.
Wow.
Oh, it's makeup. I love Nip and Fab makeup.
Oh my god.
And it's in like star packaging. If you know me, you know I love Nip and Fab palettes.
What do I use from? Oh, the highlight palette's really good, isn't it?
Yeah, I've literally been using it for so long. It's such a good palette. Highly recommend. It sells in drugstores.
Yeah. Oh. Yay! So we first of all have this gorgeous eyeshadow palette.
Look at your floor. Look at that.
It's a gold lip topper.
Oh, you got a gold one.
You got a pink one?
Yeah.
Pretty. One of the palettes is a contour and highlight palette.
The other one is a
blusher palette.
That's so cute, isn't it?
I know. So I think this is the banana powder. And this is just like the translucent powder.
Guys, look at all the stars just like chilling. And if you guys do enjoy these PO box videos, we'll definitely do more of them.
The only reason why we're doing this one today and we haven't done them in the past is because we usually get sent PR packages like over time.
If you guys enjoy, then we'll definitely do save up our packages more, and so we'll have more to show you guys. What brand is it? Oh yes!
That was so loud. These are like these glowy iridescent jellies.
They have a gold one that I have, and I wear it all the time.
Do you? What on?
On my eyes. Because
Do
it's
you?
gold.
Oh my god.
Okay.
This one is in the shade Flocking Fabulous, and it's like a purpley pink.
And then this one's the peach in it.
Peach
It literally is
out.
exactly the peach colour. They're so stunning.
Oh,
Are those
lip toppers. So we've got this pink one, this purple one, and then this bluey purple one. How sick is that?
The blue purple one's my fave. Also some really cool nail varnish. It's like a gold and a hot pink one there. Flocking Fabulous. I like that.
That's quite cheeky, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's all like flamingos, isn't it?
So
flock,
cute.
like as in flock, like a flock of birds. Right, what have we got next?
Should we open Casetify? We have Casetify phone cases.
Yes.
Mine no longer fits my phone because I got a new phone, which I don't think they know.
Oh, and the last time I got one, it was a size 6. Right, let's just open
Okay.
it.
Oh, okay. This is what we see. Oh no, they're really cute.
I don't even think they're going to fit my phone.
Because Grace, hope you like our gift.
Oh no, that will fit. That will fit. How cute.
They're so cute. Like, Casetify cases are so good quality, aren't they? They're so like thick. I don't know if it will. Should I just go and get my phone so I'm such a diva?
Try it out.
Right, everyone pray for me right now.
Yes,
It fits. Okay, that is
I'm pleased
so
I definitely
sweet.
got my phone right as well.
Same.
Because
Yes, Casetify.
Ooh. Collab dry shampoo. Do you know what?
Unicorn fragrance.
Ooh. What do unicorns smell of?
That does smell like nice for like a hairspray, doesn't it?
Oh wow.
That smells so nice.
Yeah, and do you know what? I'm always out of dry shampoo and it's so
I've
good
never
for
used
scalp.
it.
Like if your hair's greasy, it's so good for scalp.
Oil absorbent without white residue.
Because
that's
sometimes
so
they
good.
go white.
Thank you so much.
Guys, have you heard about Doll Light? Like the highlighter. They do eyelashes.
Those are stunning.
How pretty. I love their whole like aesthetic. And I've heard about this highlight palette, Grace. Apparently it's like amazing. Like stunning. Grace, watch it.
Guys, there's hearts imprinted into it.
Honestly. So those bits were actually from Beauty Bay. These eyelashes
And the palette.
beautifully from Beauty Bay. I think that's where I actually saw them.
We literally just watched them and they are incredible.
They're amazing, honestly. So
Beauty Bay is the best.
yeah.
Now let's do a fan note.
Oh.
Thank you so much for that.
Yeah, Tanisha.
Thank you, Tanisha.
We're not going to show you guys. It's got some like personal.
It's got her address on it.
and
Thank
stuff.
you so much, like Tanisha. We truly do appreciate every single note you guys give us, like at meetups and like everything.
Or
So
if you
thank
want
you
to
so
comment
much.
or a DM, like honestly.
These are the new Philosophy Grace.
And I feel like they've sent them to us because they're called Grace.
Grace.
Yes. This is Ballet Rose.
This is Nude Rose.
I feel like maybe...
Should we try and compare the scents?
Yeah.
This is so cute, it's cream.
How cute. This one's like pink.
They look a bit quite similar. I feel like this is like us in a perfume.
Yeah. That smells so like rose. Mmm.
Nice. Oh, that is like moisturiser.
Okay, so I'll have this one.
Happy
You have
with
that
that
one.
one.
Simples, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I feel like they probably sent it to us because we're called Grace and Grace.
And it's 2 Grace ones
yeah,
that are different.
That's so perfect.
Thank you so much for that. This is like the big
reveal.
The big boy.
Big finale.
Charlotte Tilbury.
It's gonna...
Oh,
wow.
We've got the Wonder Glow Beauty Flash Primer, the Magic Cream, Face Sculpt and Highlight,
Hollywood Lips Matte Contour Liquid Lipstick, one of the lip cheats. We need to sort out what shade these are in. One of the lip cheats. Another Hollywood lip. We just opened all the Charlotte Tilbury stuff and oh my goodness.
The camera died, but
it's gorgeous.
It's quite awkward because they sent us, well, obviously we're very, very grateful, but they did send us an odd number of products.
So we had to pick.
We did it in a very fair way.
Yeah. So what have you ended up with?
I've ended up with the Wonder Glow Primer, which I'm very excited to try out. The Charlotte Tilbury matte lipstick in Charlotte Darling, and a lip liner in
a Pillow Talk. Pillow Talk. I got the Film Star Bronze and Glow, which honestly I've wanted this for the longest time. So you get the highlight and you get the scar. Oh wow. Whoa. So then I also got the Hollywood Lips in the shade Screen Siren, and then I got this Feline Flick eyeliner. I needed a new eyeliner actually. I thought it'd be a pencil. Just a jet black Feline Flick eyeliner.
And then what happened is we ended up having one of these, well, magic creams left. So what we're going to do is we're going to buy another one and go halves on it, because that's just the fairest way to do it.
And it's really good. I've heard so many good things about it.
Thank you so much for all of these brands for sending all of these gifts. We're so grateful. Thank you so much to that girl that sent it to us.
We've had an amazing PO box today, haven't we?
Let us know and we'll collect more things over time. It'll be like a bigger video. So let us know if you guys want us to do that and we'll definitely do it for you guys. But thank you so much for watching this video. Thumbs up if you like it. Comment. The battery's going to run out, so I'm going to say bye.
And it's amazing.
Bye.
Smell it.